we decided to roast my arch safe. My whole air management system in here is very bad. Fitment wrap, negative 10 points out of 10. My light setup on the top. You know, I don't know if I'm actually gonna roast myself for it though, because I still think it's cool. All right, we're here at Fitment Industries. We already roasted my car along with you guys in the comments in the last video.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Emotional damage.
Now the transformation officially begins. This where we're going. Alright, one thing I didn't mention is that we have 2 days to do this full transformation, and there's a lot on the list. So we currently have all hands on deck. We got Darren, Dave, Dale just passed through. I don't know if he's helping, but shout out Dale. We got Patrick, we got Aaron, we got me, we got Victoria back there, we got Banker. Who else is helping us? I think Mike's gonna help us too. We got everyone. All hands on deck to make this happen. And before we build her up, we gotta tear her down. So that's exactly what's happening right now. We're doing door jams and everything, so all the trim has to come off. We got the old AccuAir Endo CVT tank out of the rear. We're already starting like our game plan for the whole rear setup. There's a lot, but luckily we're in the right place to do that. So I'm excited. Workstation?
Sit in it.
Wow.
Like you can sit every way you want.
Hey, have you learned how to properly drive that thing yet?
AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7-figure payment, time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game, the K for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog.
Oh yeah. Okay, see that arrow? That wing, dude? And like fast, nimble wheels? A little bit of camber stands out.
Yeah, let's see you whip it.
See that? Okay, this is actually pretty hard. Dang it, I think you want to know it. Look at that. Oh, I think actually, I'm gonna flip backwards. Yeah, I think nothing's preventing me from actually.
Yeah, let's maybe not do that.
It's okay, I'm just gonna, this is speed mode, forward lean.
Okay.
Almost ran you over, dude. Alright, update time. So, we got full wide body kit off the car and unwrapped. We got trim off now. You can see the roof for the first time in like 6 years without a wrap on it too. And this is what the car's original color is. It kind of looks a little crazy right now, but you know, we gotta see the vision through. I can't because I have aphantasia, or I can't see things in my head, but you know, I get the idea. So, a lot of the trim's coming off, door cards are off. This has been a lot of work. Like, wrapping is no joke. It's actually, now that I'm doing this from this stage, very similar in prep for paint. So, still going through it, all hands on deck, making a lot of progress. But we are now going to get started on another thing that I'm really excited to tell you guys about. One of the things I was roasting this car for is the fact that under the hood, we're completely stuck. You know, it looks wild and crazy on the outside, and I did do that for a reason, so that it could stay being one of my most reliable cars. However, I definitely want more power. This car is already so fun that I just want a little bit more. We all do. So today we're going to be taking a step in the direction of solving that, and we're putting a Haltech Nexus R3 on this car. I am so pumped for this. This is the R3 that I have on my rotary swapped S15, and now the RX-8 is doing it. Now, Haltech actually just launched a plug-and-play for the RX-8 platform. However, it is only for the S1 RX-8 models. So if you guys have one of those, that's a new thing from them. You can just go ahead, go on their website, get that, and it will just plug and play right to your unit, and you are good to go. And with the new NSP platform, you can do all your tuning and get everything on your phone, which is so cool. The reason why I'm having to do a Nexus R3 with a boom slang adapter is because this S2, I have the latest gen RX-8, and that needs a different adapter and a different setup. Basically, they did all the development on the S1. The S2, they don't have a plug and play out for, but that could be coming. You know, they spend a lot of time, over a year, getting everything developed on those things before they actually come to market. So, if there's enough demand, maybe the next thing to come to market will be the S2. So we partnered with Boomslang to get the adapter that we need to essentially make this a plug and play, but with the R3. Hopefully that makes sense. Basically, if you have an S2 like me, you need this combo. If you have an S1, you're in luck, and Haltech just launched their plug and play for it. And what is insane, you guys, about this is where the stock ECU is. It's super convenient in an RX-8. It sits right here, and this fits perfectly. We were already test fitting stuff. This has never been this easy for anything ever. Look at this. Okay, we're finding a little spot right here. That's insane. That never happens. It was meant to be. So that is really cool. This fits right in here. This is our adapter, and the boom slang adapter comes with everything that we need to literally just plug it in to the stop plugs right here. Alright, the fact that we can shove this in here and use the top of this bracket as well to hold the rest of the wiring down, and I think we're going to be able to use half this cover and like cut it so you'll see the R3 is the very bottom, but these two pieces will still connect here. That's insane. And our battery's right here, so Rich from Haltech is actually all the way here at Fitment Industries with us, and he's going to finish some of the wiring, routing to the battery. But look at that, it is right there. And this is going to be one of the easiest, best installs ever, and I feel like it was just meant to be. So that is going to be a huge benefit for when I do want to go single turbo, E85, even just getting a little bit more performance out of it now, especially to get a different filter on. It's going to make life so much easier, and I've wanted to do this for a really long time. And now we're gonna be doing it with the latest and greatest that Haltech has to offer. So I'm super pumped with that. And again, if you guys have an earlier gen RX-8, you got a plug and play solution right there for you. You don't need the extra adapter, but because I have an S2, we need the extra adapter. But I'm pumped to finally get this on the car and then see what we can do. I don't think anyone in the US has actually used this boom sling adapter with the R3 yet. So we're going to be some of the first people, which is pretty cool. Alright, and then O2 sensor is already pre-wired, going to be directed right down there. We already have one from Haltech when we put it on the car, and then we're going to use this later, so we're just going to zip tie it up for now.
Look how freaking cool that is. That is insane.
That's blowing my mind right now. And for this, I think we're gonna still use where it goes in up here, but the front, you have to make the leads that go to the battery. So this isn't really gonna fit that well up here. So I wanna like cut it off, put a trim on it, and then we also see the Nexus R3 a little better. It's real nice when things work out.
Yeah. You know what they say?
What do they say, Victoria? Tell us all what they say.
It always works out, all right?
Yeah, that's Victoria's saying, is that it just always works out. But this didn't just work out. This is insane to me.
Good things happen to good people, buddy.
Yeah, this is the best part of my day so far. That's real nice.
I like you in the shot. Don't move. A moment for the cameraman.
Yeah. Double camera it up.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you just do some weird shit in the background? That would be. Yes. On day one of our RX-8 transformation here at Fitment Industries. We have a lot more mods coming up, so let us know what you think about the build so far, and we'll see you in the next one. So you know there's going to be a wrap reveal part of this transformation, and I couldn't just do neon yellow again because we want to make it feel different. So drum roll please. Any guesses? My old air setup, and we're pretty close to danger, friends. Oh wait, worse. Now. What about now?